7 miles west of... The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Jefferson County in central New York, Eastern Lewis County in central New York, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near West Carthage to near Forestport, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, Lowville, Whetstone Gulf State Park, Denmark, New Bremen, Watson, Martinsburg, Lionsdale, Greene, and Fort Lyden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the St. Lawrence Valley, which includes Messina and Potsdam. Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%.
Huh.
Thursday, partly sunny.
I was not expecting that one, but I saw it.
Highs in the mid-70s.
Well,
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles.
and of course the HH failed on me once again. I don't know what's up with this thing.
Lows in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles.
I might have to give it a reset.
Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the
But
mid-70s.
yeah, they just keep coming.